Okay, we're going to continue on Warmup 4, W4. This one's going to use a few different tools. You're going to be using mirror, you're going to be using circular pattern, and again, you're going to be using the tangent radius tool, which calculates tangent points to connect these arcs to this circle and this circle. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. We're going to work off of 0, 0. I'm going to start with the first circle here, which is showing a diameter of 3.35. So let me turn on snap. Get it right to 0, 0, de-enter 3.35. Okay. And then what I can do is draw this outside circle as well. Again, this full thing is a circle. That's a radius of 2.39. Okay, now I'm going to work right off of this quadrant point right up here. So I'm going to draw a line straight through until I get just beyond that outside circle. Now, what I can do here, there's a few ways I can go about this. I know that this is 2.9 up, so if I want to place this, I should know the coordinate. Obviously, I'm going to be 0 on the x and 2.98 on the y. 2.98, that's an 8. So here I go. My center point is going to be 0, 2.98. There it is right there. So at that point, what I'm going to do is set my first circle, which is a diameter of 0.6. And then I'm going to draw that outside circle as well, which is a radius of 0.61. Same center point, though, which is convenient. And that, again, was 0.61. So it places it right there, almost connecting the two. And now what I'm going to need are two arcs that connect these two circles. So I'm going to be really careful here. There's no center point for those arcs, so this is where you're going to kind of focus on what we're showing you here. In order to draw this circle, I need a center point, or I have a few different options down here. TTR, well, that stands for tangent radius. So you type TTR, enter. Now what it's going to ask for is the first tangency. Well, how do you know what that is? What is that? Well, let me turn off EastNet first and I'll tell you. It just calculates a point on the outside area, and then it's going to ask for a second tangent point. So I'm going to click outside area on this circle as well. And then it's going to ask you the radius. That radius is 0.5. And then we put that in the command window. Okay, so once that's set, it perfectly connects those. And at this point, what I can do is use my mirror command off of this center point. Enter. Perfect. Now what I'm going to do is trim out things I don't need to pattern, which is going to be this, these portions here. That's it. Okay, once I've got that set up, I'm ready to use the circular pattern. I don't want to pattern this line, so I'm going to get rid of that. But I want to make sure I highlight this circle, and these two arcs. And then I'm going to go to circular pattern. You're going to want to set that to circular, the fill total number of elements. You're going to set that to 360 degrees. You're going to set the total number of elements to 5. There are 5 out there. And we want to change our center point to be right here at 0, 0. Preview. Looks perfect. And enter. Okay, the last thing you're going to do is edit out any lines you don't need. And again, make sure you highlight this before you dimension it. Please change your layer to 0.7 before we add any dimensions. Save that. And that's it. Good luck.